Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all really quick to show you how to make a pair of clip-on earrings. Now, this is the very first time that I have done a clip-on video how to make, okay? I had ordered some stuff from Amazon and I'm finally getting it in. And we're going to be making a pair of clip-ons with these, let me see, these little gems right here that I got these from Michael's. They're sticky back gems. And I got these from Michael's some time ago. Never used them. I believe I did a haul on these last year sometime. Just pulling it out, y'all. Like I said, I'm backlogged on a lot of stuff. So basically, you're just going to need some type of gems that you can use, some E6000, and some clip-on backs. Okay? I ordered these from Amazon. Now, I'm going to show you really quick how easy it is to make a pair of clip-on earrings stylish, okay? All you do, okay, these come in a lot of different sizes, so I'm going to have to find the one that will fit right in here, okay? And it's going to be this one. Now, this is a sticky back, and basically the stickiness is still on here. It came off. But normally what you would have to do, is not on there, you would have to peel this off in order to put this on your earring. Okay, so you would have to peel that stickiness off. Now, I have already taken the liberty and opened up my E6000. I'm just going to put, wait a minute, y'all, a generous amount of E6000 on the back of my little gem, just like this. Okay, a little generous amount. And then all you do is place it right down in there, just like that. Pops right in. See how awesome that is? And this is for people whose ears are not pierced. And once you get it down in there, you close it up. And you got yourself a gorgeous pair of clip-on earrings. Real fast, real simple, and real stylish. And like I said, all I did was I got these little sticky gems. And like I said, you can order these from Amazon. As a matter of fact, I have them in 2 different colors. I have it in gold. They came in gold and they came in silver. And what I really like about them is I like the quality of them. I didn't know if they were going to be cheesy, but I'm looking at the toggle, whatever you want to call this. It's not a toggle, but this back part right here where you open and close it. I was really checking it out to see whether or not if they were going to be cheap. Sometimes when you buy stuff, you don't know the quality of it until you actually get it. But like I said, I ordered these from Amazon, and they're for clip-ons. I got some other clip-ons that I am going to be, I'll show you all those once I get them in the mail, okay? So I just wanted to get on here really quick. This was a real quick and simple pair of earrings that you can make. Clip-ons, y'all. Gorgeous. And you can wear clip-ons anytime, okay? So if you are new, if this is your very first time here on this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for tuning in today. Have a wonderful and awesome day, and I'm hoping that everybody is staying safe by doing your universal precautions, hand washing, and wearing your mask when you go out. All right, y'all. So thank y'all so much for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, because there will be more, peace and blessings. Love you guys. See ya.